everyone, so today I'm so excited to share to you doing the unboxing of this beautiful Spode blue Italian. So it has been a dream of mine to collect some of this stuff, and finally I was able to push myself to do it, and I can't wait to open each box and share how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna share to you how they do the packaging. It goes something like this. I already opened the box and it's so the first items that we're gonna open are the ones that are placed in the small boxes. So these are the call this the set of 6 teaspoons, the bread pastry forks, and this cake slice. We'll open the cake slice first. So it goes something like this. It's very beautiful, and next is the pastry forks, and it has, let me get one of it so we can check. So this is how small this pastry fork is. So cute, and the detail, you can see the old Italian, and at the back there's you can see the Spode name. So that's a pastry forks. I'll fix it later. And next is it's the same size as the pastry fork. This is the teaspoon. Pretty much similar to the pastry fork, the design and everything. So there's a blue Italian history, like a summarize of the Spode blue Italian history. So that's it. So our next box is the set of mugs. I love this. I love the box. It's so sturdy and very pretty. I guess this is a perfect gift on any occasion to your loved ones or to your friends, and I think they're gonna be so happy. So when you open it, ta-da, it's so beautiful. So this is the mug. It's so shiny. And so the thing is, this mug it is manufactured in China. It says made in China, but when I did my research, and I've read there that back in 2000, I think that was 2006 or 2008, Spode moved some of their factory in China, so some of the mugs are made in China. The work is still the same. The color is so vivid, and you can tell that it's quality made products, so it's so beautiful. So I advise you guys, I got it on sale from Spode website. It's like 60% off. So if you're planning to give something to your loved ones this Christmas, this is the best gift that you can ever give. See? Alright. So our next box is the bread and butter plate. I only got one of this, so because I'm just thinking I'm gonna serve bread for me and my husband. I just need one. It's so pretty. Look off the box. all the history in there. Josiah Spode. Did I pronounce it correct? Sorry guys, it's my first time and I'm not really very familiar. I did my research and I love blue, so I decided to collect this. So this how the box came. So here we go. Again, this is so beautiful. The detail and everything is so perfect, and it's a decent size to serve bread, and so vivid, and so look at this. You can have this, and it's so beautiful. That's all I can say. So our next one is the blue Italian jumbo cup and saucer. Guys, this is really my favorite. I'm not being unfair or whatever, but this is my favorite. So let's see why, and I'll show to you why I'm saying that. So first, so this is the mug. It's pretty big. Okay, this is 20 ounce. See, so I can have ocean of coffee in here, and it comes with a saucer. This saucer is big too. It is like a salad plate, or yeah, it's like a salad plate. You can make it a salad plate or a pasta plate. It's big, and look at that one. So I'm the type of person that sometimes most of the time I love eating in the couch. So I would like to have something that I don't want to like go back and forth to the kitchen to grab a tea or something and put everything here, because it's 20 ounce. So it can last for like an hours of drinking tea here. And one thing about this mug is if it is available online, I'm telling you, in a minute it's gone right away. So I only got 3 of this, although I wanted to have like 4 or 6, but it sold out instantly. And the price of this is something like $38.99 plus tax, and I got it for like 60% off. So that's a good deal. But I'm telling you guys, once you see this available, go get it right away, because it really is a good steal and a very beautiful blue Italian collection. See, look at the inside. I forgot to show you the inside. So our next box, guys, is the set. So I'm encouraging you, if you want to start collecting this blue Italian Spode, I think this is the best starter set that you would love to have, because it comes with 4 dinner plates, 4 saucer, and the mug, 4 mugs. So I'm gonna show it to you. By the way, I got it for like 60% off, so that was a great deal for me. And I'm gonna show you what's inside, and let's see. So the box came like this. Okay, the outside box is just looks like the same from the regular Spode boxes, even if it's made in China or in England or in Malaysia. But you can tell if the item is made in England, because just the box is something like this. It has Spode in stripes and the website and also the address of the Spode manufacturing company. So I think this is the saucer. Let me open this one. Okay, so this is the saucer. It's like 8 inches diameter, so it's pretty nice for have a slice of cake in here. So it's pretty decent for that size. But I'm telling you, the one that we have for the one that I have for the jumbo mug is the saucer is the shape is different. It's like a pasta plate, but here this is a regular small plate, this regular saucer. The one from the jumbo mug is bigger than this. Okay, so that's the saucer still. And one thing that I'm gonna tell you guys, this one is made in England. You can see from the back. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's made in England. So it's the same. That's what I'm telling you. This is the one made in China, and this is the one made in England. It's very, very the same. Yeah. So the next one is, so this is the dinner plate. It's pretty heavy. I think this is like 11 pounds. Yes. So let me show it to you. Very beautiful and it's a decent dinner plate. It's 11.5 diameter. The 11.5 diameter. It's a very nice place, and I can't wait to eat using this one. And this plate is made in England, and so I guess this whole box is made in England. Yeah, all the items, all of the items here, I think it's made in England. And then this is the mug. So this mug comes with, like, each of it has this blue Italian Spode. What do you call this brand name? Yeah, something like this. And it's made in England. And it has, I forgot what's the name of this mug, but it has a different holder. You can hold like this. It's different from the regular mug. Let me get it. So this is the other mug that we got from the set of 4. So they have different, it's like the holder or something. Yeah, they are different. And so I'm telling you guys, if you're planning to start your collection, I think this is a very good idea to have this set. It comes already with 4 dinner plates and 4 mugs and a saucer, 4 saucers. So it's a very good deal for a start. Okay. And then the last one that I'm gonna open is, so this is the 9 inches salad plate. So I decided to buy this one because I think the size is different from the other small plates. Again, when you see this kind of packaging, you know that it's made in England. And there are some people who are very particular when it comes to, and I understand. So this is the salad plate. It's pretty much, I can use it as my dinner plate. So set of 4 of it. And yeah, you can tell it's bigger than the rest. This is from the jumbo cup, and this is the regular saucer. And yeah, same beautiful pattern. Hi guys, so that's all for today, and I'm looking forward to do more unboxing in the future with this Spode Blue Italian collection. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'm telling you, for those who wanted to start their collection, or if you just started, then it really is so worth it. And if you are like me who loves to stay in the kitchen, and it really makes me happy whenever I see beautiful stuff, and if I use one of this, it's kind of weird, but it makes me feel special. So why not feel that way every day, right? All right, that's all for today, and thank you again. Have a great day.